Someone's cooking. What will we have?
We're gonna go camping this weekend, and this is one of my favorite meals to do for the first night of camping anyway. It's called, I like to call it Bumzhi Dinners. And basically, if you can see on the bottom, there's about 200 grams of meat, and then on top of it you just stack all different vegetables, whatever you want. Here we got some carrots, we got some, what do we got? Zucchini, mushrooms, potatoes. I'll put onions, salt, pepper, any kind of spices that you want you can put on it. And you can't forget the butter. The butter is probably the most important part. The next step here is trying to make a good seal on everything. This is kind of why you'll end up probably with 2 or 3 layers of aluminum foil. For the second layer, I like to try to keep things pretty leak-proof. Turn it upside down, what you just did, and wrap it like this. Wrap it like that, and then the ends, I just kind of and then we just throw this in the refrigerator for now, and then tomorrow morning when we leave, we'll take it with us, throw it on the bike. When we get to the campsite, we'll make a fire. We started getting our fire going, so that way we can cook our dinners. There's our 2 dinners. They're still even a little bit cold in the refrigerator, so we'll see how it goes. So basically it's ready to cook. The coals are hot. Ideally you would have enough to put it down and cover it, but we don't, so we'll have to flip it halfway through. But so you make it a flat spot big enough. In about 15 minutes, turn it over. So you can see that it got a little bit warm because the butter and juice and everything that would be inside was starting to leak out. There's a leak in it somewhere, and if it goes dry, then it'll start to burn and burn the aluminum like that. Ah, yeah, it got dry.
A little bit burned, but not ever so.
Where's the fork?
Just a few pieces, don't worry. The rest should be tasty.
Yeah, this is what happens if you get a leak in it or something like that. It'll burn, but it should still be okay. Is it tasty?
Monty, молодец. Even Luke is tasty.
What?
Onion tasty too, да.